Hi friends, welcome to Anu's Life. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and it's free. Thank you. So friends, first we have to heat the kadai and then we are going to add some mustard oil in it, around 4 tablespoons. You can, if you prefer refined oil, you can also add refined oil according to your taste. And then I'm going to add the bari, and this is macher dal ki bari, and any kind of bari you can use. And we have to fry it for some time till it becomes brownish in color. So I'm going to take a handful of bari and I'm going to fry it nicely till it turns golden brown like this. So I'll take it out of the kadai once it's cooked. Next in the kadai we have to add tej patta in the oil. I'm using the remaining oil. And next I'm going to add the cumin seeds, that is jeera, and it will start to splutter and make sound. And after it is roasted I will add the chopped onion inside. I've taken one big onion and we have to mix well and wait till it turns brown like this. And again we have to nicely mix it. We need to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes till the onion becomes soft. And after this we have to add the garlic. So I'm frying it first separately in between the oil like this, so that the flavor of the garlic comes in the oil nicely. And now I'm going to mix it well with the onion. Again we have to mix it for around 1 to 2 minutes till the flavors mix really well. You can see how nicely it has turned golden brown. Next I'm going to add crushed ginger or chopped ginger, whichever you like you can add. And I'm going to take around 1 tablespoon of ginger and some chopped green chilies. Next I'm going to add tomato paste, and I've taken 1 tomato, and again I'm going to mix it well to make the masala. And we have to wait till the onion and the tomato softens. So now I'm going to add the powder masala. I'm adding some salt according to your taste. I'm using rock salt here. If you want you can use common salt. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then Kashmiri mirch powder, 1.5 teaspoons, and next I will add coriander, jeera and garam masala powder. This is to enhance the flavor of the curry. If you don't have this, you can also use sabzi powder if you have. That will also taste very nice. And again we have to mix it well. Little bit water we need to add. Like this we have to again cook. So the masalas will blend very nicely. Once the masala is cooked well, we will add some sugar. Sugar we should add only half teaspoon. We don't want the curry to become sweet. It's just to enhance the taste and the color. Slowly, once the masala is roasted, we can see the oil is coming out. So we have to keep on stirring like this. Little bit of water. We can repeat this step 2 to 3 times. Next I'm going to add the boiled potato and boiled Arbi. In Bengali we call it Kachu, but generally it is called Arbi. So I'm going to add it in the masala. I have boiled it with little bit of salt. That's all. Now I'm going to mix it well with the masala. Make sure all the potato and the Arbi is coated well with the masala, just the way I'm showing you. In this way, what happens if we boil the potato and the Arbi, all the excess starch we can drain away, and when we eat we don't get that extra calorie of the starch as the vegetables are boiled. So this is how we mix it well, and trust me, it's really tasty, and you can have it with steamed rice and it tastes excellent, I must say. And please try it at home, and it's going to be a unique recipe. Once the masala is coated well on the potato, we are going to add the fried bari inside it, and you can see how nice it is looking. So we have to mix well like this. For 2 minutes we have to mix it well till the masala is nicely coated. And now I'm going to add some water for the gravy. Like this. Around 1.5 cups of water I'm going to add. And now I have to keep it for 5 to 7 minutes to boil, and I will cover it with a lid. The baris will be absorbing all the masalas from the curry, and we have to cover the lid for 5 minutes. When it will come to a boil, we have to turn off the stove, and this is how it's going to look like. And you can see after serving, the buddies have absorbed the water and it's looking fabulous. And trust me guys, it will taste also very nice. Please try this at home and let me know how do you find it. Please comment, share and like. And also subscribe to my channel friends. Till then, bye bye and take care.